In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add the zoom in effect in CapCut on your PC. It's super simple, so let's dive right in. First, import your video. Once you have imported and drag it to the timeline, click on the video where you want to add the zoom effect. Now in the toolbar above the timeline, click on the animation right here. Click on zoom out and click on out and click on zoom in. Now, you can also zoom in the specific part of the video by adding the keyframes. I'll show you how to add the keyframes. Simply drag it like this, go to video. Let's add the keyframe right here. Now once you have added it, increase the scale like this. And play the video. Add the next keyframe again. Now once you have added the next keyframe, let's decrease its scale like this. Now you see the change right here. Let's see the change. As you can see, the video has been zoomed in and zoomed out. Let's play it from the beginning. And that's how you add the keyframes in your video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.